Izolo to Ma-Africa, izolo to Bopoqo, from Cape to Cairo, Morocco to Madagascar, no settler can claim an inch of our land. Ma-Africa, this morning, I just wanted to make a short comment, I suppose, regarding Robert Sobukwe town, Robert Mangaliso Sobukwe town, and the resistance from white people. That's why I want to address Azanian children, as Mazania. Abelungu abasifuni abalfunu chincho. And they have this thinking ukuthi elilizwe only belongs to them and they will dictate how things go in our own land. Ayizukwenzeka lonto. I see it all over social media. I see it on comments and all these things. Abo Pretorius, nabo Van der Merwe. Besixelela ukuthi asinotshintsha uGraf Renet to Robert Sobukwe. Into esiyaziyo thina singabantu abamnyama ukutshintsha amagama. Kanti lelizwe lobaneli. Uthi sizawuxelwa ngubo basifuna utshintsha. Asifuni colonial names thina elizweni lethu. Asifuni colonial names thina elizweni lethu. Umhlaba wokhokho bethu lona. And it will be named after our heroes, after our leaders. And we don't need permission yabo. Today, let's just address their resistance to change. I see nababa post about VF Groenewald. Ungamfuna njani uGroenewald? Ongakufuni nokuthi wena ufumana umhlaba nobutyebi belizwe lakho lihlale kubo. No, Ma-Africa. No, we don't want colonial names in our land. We don't want colonial names in our land. And the white minority must know and understand this. And we don't give them a choice. We're not giving them a choice, Ma-Africa. These ones who are wearing t-shirts, Zabo Groenewald, VF, I even question the ones who vote for DA. How can you vote for people who don't even want economic transformation? That the mineral resources of this land must belong and must benefit its people. The land must benefit its people. They don't want change, white people. They are going on and on and on social media about name change of that Robert Sobukwe, who fought against all odds, against the brutal regime that was apartheid, whom they isolated, the most isolated political prisoner of our time. They're still resisting change, 30 plus years post-democracy. And you think they want economic transformation for you? Nipata matishete DA no Groenewald, VF. They're going on and on and on social media. And I'm thinking, what comments do we have? Because this is our land, we will do as we please. And we don't want colonial names. Graf Renet will be changed to Robert Mangaliso Sobukwe town. Izolo lethu.